Hi-ho, it's off to hike I go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's off to hike I go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. So you guys often ask what I take when I go out hiking and do these meals, so I sort of try and prepare as many things as much as possible. These ribs are actually I got from work, so they're already pre-smoked. There's a salt and pepper combination in there as well as a rib rub. Just got the potatoes there. That's probably the most prep I'm going to be doing is cutting up and then boiling and roasting the potatoes. There's the coleslaw dressing that I'm going to put on top of the potato salad. There's the homemade barbecue sauce I made up the night before I left. And then there's the tools I'm going to need. I'm going to need the pan, grease scrubber to clean it afterwards, knife, tongs to flip it, and then this one actually in particular I brought a pastry brush out to brush the ribs with the sauce. Alrighty, we're starting dinner in about half an hour, but in order to get to that point, we gotta have enough water in a pot to boil the potatoes. So we're just there. Alright, we've got our two beef ribs right here, already been pre-smoked and pre-seasoned a bit. But I made a bit of a rib seasoning at home, salt and pepper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically heat them and char them over top of the grill here. And once they've sort of heated through, because they're already cooked, I'm gonna start lathering barbecue sauce over it. You don't want to put the barbecue sauce on too soon. It's got a bunch of sugars in it, and it will burn on the beef rib. You definitely want a whole bunch of nice black bark on it. Here, I got everything. Then slowly back out. Good. Plating in a windstorm 101. Yeah. Alright, so we got the potatoes in there, we got the hot coleslaw dressing over top of them. Use that as the base. And we got this one here. Boom. So freaking heavy.
That's mental. That is totally mental.
Marty, how's it taste?
Actually, it's all good. The potatoes are super awesome. You could shred this without a